What's going on, everyone? Today's deep dive is all about how to scrape Yahoo Finance stock data in 2026. I'm going to walk you through everything step by step, so by the end of this, you'll have a really solid understanding. Let's go. Yahoo Finance is one of the most widely used financial data platforms, providing free access to stock prices, historical data, financial statements, analyst estimates, and market news for thousands of publicly traded companies worldwide. For quantitative traders, financial analysts, investment researchers, and fintech developers, scraping Yahoo Finance provides comprehensive market data at no cost. So what data can you extract? Yahoo Finance provides extensive financial data, including stock prices with real-time quotes and historical open, high, low, close, and volume data, financial statements covering income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow, company information like sector, industry, number of employees, and description, analyst recommendations and price targets, earnings data including EPS, revenue, and earnings dates, dividend history and yield, options chain data, market indices and ETF data, and financial news and articles. Now let's talk about the two main methods for extracting this data. Method 1 is using the Yahoo Finance library, and this is the recommended approach. Yahoo Finance is the most popular and reliable way to access Yahoo Finance data programmatically. The way it works is you create a scraper that can do several things. You can get comprehensive stock information for any ticker symbol, pulling data like the company name, sector, industry, current price, market cap, PE ratio, dividend yield, 52-week high and low, volume, beta, earnings date, analyst target price, recommendation, revenue, net income, and employee count. You can also pull historical price data for any time period and interval. So if you want 6 months of daily price data for Apple, you just specify the ticker, period, and interval. Getting financial statements is straightforward too. You can pull the income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow data for any company. Analyst recommendations are available, showing the latest buy, sell, and hold ratings. Options chain data gives you both calls and puts for available expiration dates. And you can even build a simple stock screener that filters stocks based on criteria like minimum market cap, maximum PE ratio, or minimum dividend yield. Method 2 is direct web scraping for data not available through Yahoo Finance. This involves making HTTP requests to Yahoo Finance pages and parsing the HTML. For example, you can scrape trending tickers from the Yahoo Finance homepage or pull news articles for a specific ticker. When doing direct web scraping, it's important to use random user agents and handle errors gracefully. If you're doing high-frequency access, residential proxies can help avoid rate limits. For proxy recommendations, the Yahoo Finance library typically doesn't require proxies. But for high-frequency data access or web scraping of the actual site, residential proxies can help avoid rate limits. Regarding legal considerations, there are a few things to keep in mind. Yahoo Finance's terms of service restrict automated data collection beyond their API. Redistribution of financial data may violate exchange agreements. Real-time quotes may have licensing requirements, and for commercial financial data products, you should consult legal counsel. Now for some frequently asked questions. Is the Yahoo Finance library official? No. Yahoo Finance is an unofficial library that accesses Yahoo Finance data. It's the most widely used method for accessing Yahoo Finance data programmatically, but is not endorsed by Yahoo. How often can I pull data with Yahoo Finance? Yahoo Finance has no strict rate limits, but excessive requests may result in temporary blocks. For real-time data, limit pulls to once per minute. For historical data, batch your requests. Can I get real-time stock prices? Yahoo Finance provides near real-time prices with a 15 to 20-minute delay for US markets. For true real-time data, consider paid data providers or broker APIs. What are alternatives to Yahoo Finance for financial data? Alpha Vantage with its free API, IEX Cloud, Polygon, IO, and FinHub are popular alternatives with their own APIs and pricing tiers. To wrap up, Yahoo Finance is one of the most accessible sources for financial market data. The Yahoo Finance library handles most data needs without proxies or complex scraping. For supplementary data like news and trending tickers, web scraping with proxies provides additional coverage. Aposaments. And that wraps up today's deep dive into how to scrape Yahoo Finance stock data. I hope you found this helpful and that you picked up some actionable insights you can start using right away. If you want to learn more, head over to our website at dataresearchtools.com, where we've got tons of guides and tutorials covering everything from proxies to web scraping and beyond. Thanks for listening, and I'll catch you in the next one.